They're just looking at us. This is weird.
But it's okay. No, get back over here. We're gonna do this.
Okay. Maybe it's just more.
Yeah.
Alright. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite some time.
2 models.
Thank you. Okay.
Oh god, jeez. Thanks.
He said we're models.
We are. Today, here's my beautiful model, Brianna. Check out her channel. I'm going to link it in the description. I'm going to link it in the description below. We're going to model today, and we're going to do a little challenge that I was inspired by Mango Street. It's the dollar store challenge. We're going to pick up 5 items, $5, and we have to use them, or I have to use them while taking photos of my model. So come along with us into Dollar Tree, and let's pick out our objects.
$6.40.
Okay, there we go. Okay, serve. Oh, that looks so good. Can you scoot over? More. More. Your head is kind of blending in with the trees. More. More.
How'd you find that so easily?
But,
The spot at where it would gleam.
well, I can see it on your thing now. Wait, what? What's happening? I'm laughing. Oh, wait. Okay.
Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to. Crazy? Did we get? Oh my.
Alright, so how did you enjoy this shoot?
It was so much fun. We shot with many items that I never thought we could shoot with before, especially from the dollar store. So we're balling on a budget.
Yeah, so thanks for modeling.
Thanks for photographing.
Sorry, I'm not the best
Photographing?
photographer, and I get
She's the best
frantic.
in my mind.
I get frantic. I'm like, I'm not getting the right shot, and then I start freaking out. But you know, at the end, I think overall we got good shots, and I'm excited to look at them. You will have already seen them because this is the end of the video.
Yes.
But it was a fun time. Thanks for tuning in to my video today. Go look at hers because she's making a vlog of the whole behind the scenes, which is
Yes.
fun. And we're definitely going to do more videos together in the future. So check those out when they
Check
come
it
out.
out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Just like. When you're ready. When you're ready, come and get it. When you're ready, come and get it. Get it.
She's serving.
When you're ready, come and get it. Get it.
This lighting though.